Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Before starting the class, I want to tell you please do comment in comment box. Write there your name, class and section as for present and absent. You can say for your attendance. So, let's start today's class. Dear student, before this we have studied about universe, what is our universe, and after that we discuss about the solar system. And I am here with new topic. All you know, this is revision process. We are revising the lesson which we had studied. So let's start. You can see here today we have to study about planets. First of all, the word planet, the meaning of planet is wanderer. Wanderer, the person or body who kept on moving from place to place or in a given place. That is called wanderer. So, planet means wanderer, and why wanderer? Because all the planets moves around the sun. They rotates around the sun. Eight planets in order of increasing distance. Dear student, first of all there is sun, and then after all the planets here given in increasing order of distance from the sun. First one, nearest planet is Mercury. Here is the question and here is the point which you have to keep in mind. If anybody asks to you the nearest planet of the sun, Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and in the last, Neptune. 8 planets are there. Here is the second question. Which planet is the furthest planet from the sun? So, your answer will be what? Neptune. Yes, student. Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun, and Mercury is nearest planet from the sun. And next thing is, I told you about these planets are known as wanderers. So the path in which they all these planets used to move, that is called orbit. What is orbit? Planets moves around the sun in fixed path. In a fixed path is called orbits. Orbit is a fixed path of all planets which move around the sun. So it is called orbit. And after that, very important thing regarding our earth. Why? Here is the question. Why the earth is called blue planet? Why the earth is called blue planet? So the earth is the third planet from the sun. You can see here From the Sun, Earth is the third planet. From the Sun, Earth is the third planet. And it is the only known planet which is home to all living things. Dear student, before this I already discussed about it. In our solar system there are 8 planets, but our planet where we are living is called the Earth. Earth is a planet where life is possible, and it is the only known planet which is home to all living things. All living things used to live here on this planet. So, dear student, why the Earth is called blue planet? Because 3/4 portion means if we take 4 parts of a circle, it is all the dotted portion is water. 3/4 portion on the Earth is covered with water, and only 1/3 portion, 1/4 portion is related with land area, and this 3/4 portion related with filled with water. So we can say the color of water, when we saw from the height, the color of water is look in blue color. That's why our planet Earth is called blue planet. And next thing is, we have to see here the planet on which we are living have which type of shapes. Dear student, thousands of years ago we believed that the earth is in saucer shape. Means people believe that if they travel too far the edges they will fall, because they believe that the earth is in saucer shape, you can say flat shape. If they keeping their traveling towards the edge of the earth, they will fall off. And a revolution take place, a new thing is about to come toward us. That is around 500 years ago. Around 500 years ago, the great person named the great Portuguese person, you can say Portuguese sailor. Sailor means the person who sailed the ship. The person who sailed the ship means जो पर्सन नाव चलाता है, that is Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan started his journey from where? From Spain. He started his journey from Spain and kept sailing, and he continued his journey after about 3 years. After the traveling near about 3 years, his ship reached the same place. His ship reached the same place from where they started. So, just suppose from where you started moving and you reach at the same place from where you have started your journey. That is called, it is called round shape. Means by this Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is in round shape. So next is horizon. What is horizon? The imaginary point where the land and the sky appears to meet. Dear student, when we stand on a high place on the top of the floor of our house or any building, when we saw the towards the sky looks that at a point sky is meeting to the earth. The point where it appears that sky and earth meeting, that point, that place is called horizon. This is called horizon.